Happy World Health Day 2022. World Health Day is celebrated every year on the 7th of April, to commemorate the anniversary of the founding of the World Health Organization in 1948. Each year for this date, a theme is chosen that highlights an area of priority concern for WHO. In the face of the current pandemic, a polluted planet, and an increasing incidence of diseases, the theme for World Health Day 2022 is Our Planet, Our Health. This call from PAHO, the WHO, and partners, presents a unique opportunity for a green and healthy recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic that puts the health of individuals and the planet at the center of actions, and fosters a movement to create societies focused on well-being. In recent decades, enhancements in health services, environmental protection, economic development, and other factors have led to improvements in the health of people across the region of the Americas. Nevertheless, an estimated 1 million premature deaths per year are attributable to known avoidable environmental risks. Air pollution, contaminated water, inadequate sanitation including solid waste management, risks related to certain hazardous chemicals, and negative impacts of climate change are the most pressing environmental public health threats in the region. These threats to public health are compounded by weak governance practices, and potential inequities in health as well as by limited leadership, expertise, and resources in the health sector. However, this theme of Our Planet, Our Health should be a powerful reminder to us that the resolution of many of these issues are beyond the exclusive purview of the health sector and, as a consequence, an effective response will demand whole of government and whole of society approaches.
So, what can we do to protect our planet and our health? Here's what we can do to protect the planet and our health recommended by WHO. Governments should implement the WHO air quality guidelines. Reduce air pollution levels to reduce the burden of disease from stroke, heart disease, lung cancer, and both chronic and acute respiratory diseases, including asthma. Prioritize long-term human well-being and ecological stability in all decision-making. Tobacco pollutes the planet and our lungs. Create smoke-free cities and tax tobacco. Devise policies on waste and plastic reduction. Corporations should switch off lights after working hours. Reduce the greenhouse gas emissions of your activities. Protect, promote and support breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is healthy and sustainable food for babies. Ensure safe water is accessible for workers. Individuals should raise your voice and demand climate actions to protect your health. Walk or pedal to work at least one day a week. Choose public transport. Change to a renewable energy provider. Don't heat your rooms over to 1.5°C. Turn off the light when not in the room. Buy your fresh groceries from local producers and avoid highly processed foods and beverages. Tobacco is a killer and a polluter. Stop consuming tobacco. Buy less plastic. Use recyclable grocery bags. Protecting the environment is protecting our health. Therefore, environmental protection is not the responsibility of organizations, but the responsibility of each of us. Ask yourself, what have you done to protect your health?
Subscribe to continue listening to my English radio where I will share interesting things from life. I love you. I'm Honey.